So I'm gonna attempt to do these perm rods, but I honestly can't promise you anything. As you can see, my hair is sectioned off. I shampooed it, deep conditioned it, detangled it, and I put a little bit of leave-in conditioner in my hair. I've watched a million videos on this and I'm still scared. It's a very specific way you have to do them to get a specific look, and you can kind of tweak it to give you the desired look that you want. So today I'm gonna try to have it as stretched out as possible. Really trying not to cut my hair off. Like, says you, like right now you can't really tell, but I have a lot of heat damage. Like, I'm mad at myself. You know, I did it to myself. So right now I'm just re-wetting my hair to make it easier to detangle, and then I'm gonna detangle that section so that everything is smooth and all the knots are out before I start this process. And I'm gonna start off with a twist and then end off with the perm rod. I'm gonna take my first section of hair, and honestly, I don't know how thick to do these because I've never done this before, but I guess about this much. As a styling product, I'm using my curl enhancing smoothie just because I really like the way this makes my hair feel, and I used to use this for like my bantu knots and my twist out. So I'm gonna take my hair, split it into two sections, and then kind of like start off with a twist out. And I'm pulling it really tight because I guess other girls said that this helped them to not have like puffy roots and for their roots to be like nice and flat. So I'm gonna comb it out again, and I only did like 3 twists, and then I'm gonna put the hair together and take the rod and make sure my hair is like smooth over the rod. I'm gonna twist up, but at the same time I'm gonna move so I'm further down the barrel as I go, so the hair is not like just on one like all clumped over each other, if you get what I'm saying. I don't really know how to explain it. Make sure it's tight, and then I saw a girl, she did this, she like twisted it, so I'm gonna twist it. I really hope this works out. And I'm just gonna do this around my whole head. So I'm finished, and I feel like I messed up. I honestly feel like I didn't do this right. I feel like there's not enough in my hair. Like, there's not enough of them in my hair. So hopefully they turn out right and they're not too like big and loose. Maybe I don't have as much hair as I thought. And maybe I should have used a smaller one because I don't know. I just really feel like this is not enough. Like, when I see the girls in the videos and stuff like that, they have way more rollers in their hair. Okay, so it is 2 days later and my hair is pretty much completely dry. I'm actually gonna go in with some extra virgin coconut oil. I'm just gonna use this to oil up my hands so I don't have as much frizz when taking these out. And I did take one out and it came out really good, so I don't know if you can see well, but I think it's gonna be really cute. This is my first time doing this. And the results for other girls were just so good that I was like, it's no way. So I'm just trying to carefully take these out so I can like minimize the amount of frizz that I'm gonna get. I don't like how the roots look, and I don't like the process of taking this one out because I did kind of like flat twist it before I put it on the perm set, and I don't think that's the best method. Like roots wise, I think the best method is just taking 2 strands and kind of like loosely doing it instead of like flat twisting it, kind of like just regular twisting it before. So I know for next time not to do that. So this is my hair when I take all of them out, and before I like obviously fluff it up. And honestly, a lot of people said this hairstyle gave them a lot of volume. I don't feel like this hairstyle gives you a lot of volume. I feel like you have to make the volume with like picking it and stuff, which is like every hairstyle. So, which for me, I need all the volume I could get because I actually do have hair on the thinner side. I have a lot of hair, but it's very thin, like the strands. Anyway, let's try to stretch it and see what we can do because I'm looking like a poodle right now. Okay, so to stretch your hair out a little bit, I'm gonna take it like section by section and kind of like actually pull it. And I'm gonna take a blow dryer and just blow dry the roots. This is the side that is stretched. This is the side that is not stretched, so, okay. Okay, so like I said, this didn't give me as much volume as I would like. I would like my hair to be like way bigger, but I feel like if I tease it anymore or if I do anything else to it, I'm gonna lose the curl pattern because right here I have a bunch of hair that's like not even really like curled, you see? And I feel like if I manipulate it, I'm gonna lose the curl, especially since I have very damaged straight hair. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. I think it came out pretty good. I don't know, what do you think? I'm doing these all the time now because this is amazing. Like, this is amazing. Like, this is amazing. I never thought my hair could be curly again since I have all the heat damage. You know, like I never thought my hair could be curly again. And my hair's curly. And it wasn't that hard to do the perm rod set. Next time I might do smaller barrels, just because I like smaller curls. I don't really like how big these curls are. I feel like I look a little bit like a poodle. But it's cute, it's cute, it's cute. 10 out of 10 would recommend for transitioning hair, definitely. You guys want to know, if you guys want to know more about this style and like how it holds up for the week and stuff like that, definitely ask in the comments below or check the description box because I will mention it in the description. But yeah, thank you guys so much for doing this with me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.